everybody, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'll be sharing my quarantine pamper routine, and I have shared everything from A to Z what I like to do when I am in a mood to pamper myself. Now that we are all home and we have so much time, thoda sa time nikal ke if we pamper ourselves, that would be great because we all deserve it. And also today my hair feels so soft. I love how my hair looks and feels right now. Keep on watching if you want to know what hair mask I use today. And yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, I love to start my day by listening to some good music, and my current favorite right now should be Like That by Doja Cat. I love this song so much, and I cannot use this in this video because I'll definitely get a copyright, so I'll sing it for you. And that's enough embarrassment for today. So let's start with the fun part, and I'm just going to clip my hair right here. And to start off, I like to cleanse my face using the Klairs Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. If you guys have been following me for a while, you already know how much I love this cleanser. It is so mild on the skin, and I like to cleanse my face first because the night before I use vitamin C serum all over my face, and it's good to wash it off before you step out of your house or if you're going to apply any more products on your face. So I'm gonna do that. After that, today I will be exfoliating my face. This is not something that I do on a regular basis. I exfoliate my face twice a week maybe. And I will be using the Face Shop Peel Smart Scrub. This has black sugar in it, which is very gentle on the skin and is a great exfoliant as well. And I will be concentrating this product more around the nose area because that's the area where I tend to get more whiteheads. Next, I'll take a cotton handkerchief. You can use any piece of cloth that you may have. And I'm going to damp this cloth under warm water. And I will use this to steam my face, which will help in opening up my pores. And I will use this mostly around my nose area and also on my chin. I will use this tool that people use to remove blackheads and whiteheads. This has a loop on one end and a needle thingy on the other side, which is very dangerous. I never use that portion. And I will use the loop area to remove any whiteheads or dead skin cells that I might have around my nose or chin area. I will not recommend you guys to try this out if you have very sensitive skin or if you're a beginner, because if you're way too harsh on your skin, this might lead to scarring, which is not a great thing. I have been using this for ages now, so I know exactly how much pressure I have to apply. So I would recommend you to start with a very small portion and see if this suits you or not, and then you can go ahead and use this on the areas where you have whiteheads or blackheads. One thing to keep in mind is that always disinfect this tool before and after use. Next, I will be using a face mask, and this is the Pond's Mineral Clay Mask, and this will detoxify your skin, which is great. Also, this is very affordable. You can use any clay mask or any face mask that you enjoy. I really love using this one because it does not make my skin feel dry whatsoever, so love this. And I personally really like using clay mask after extractions. अभी माइलो का खाने का टाइम हो गया है बेबी, है ना बेबी। कम आ जाओ खाना खाते हैं। स्टे माइलो, गुड बॉय, स्टे, गो बाबा, गुड बॉय बेबी, good boy. Chalo, next I'm going to do this very quick hair mask home remedy. I'll add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. With that, I will add 1 egg, where I'll separate the egg yolk and egg white, and I will only use the egg yolk. Mix it well. And I'll also add some olive oil. I'll be using this Figaro one. You can use whatever you have. Consistency should look something like this. I'll be applying this on my scalp. This hair mask is great if you have frizzy, dry hair, or even if you are facing dandruff. This is great. Yogurt will nourish your scalp and egg will help in new hair growth. I'll also apply this really well on my lens as well and make a bun. For pedicure, first I'm going to dip my legs in warm water and add a tablespoon of salt. You can use Epsom salt if you have that. I do not have it, so I'm using regular salt here. I usually dip my legs in salt water after wearing heels and it is so relaxing. Try it out and you would love it. So I will use this tool where on one side there's this brush and on the other side there's this pumice stone. This is a tool that you can find at any store. I will use this to remove any dead skin. Make sure to be very gentle and I will concentrate more on the heel area. Time to shave my legs. Honestly, I am not a hairy person and I have very less hair on my body. But इस lockdown में I realized that मेरे legs की बहुत capability है to grow out a lot of hair and I literally felt like a man. I was waiting कि salon खुलेंगे तो मैं वहाँ पे waxing कराऊंगी because I don't usually prefer shaving my legs, but यहाँ lockdown नहीं खुल रहा है and it's not safe at all. So shaving was the only choice left and I'm sure that a lot of you can relate to this. Anyways, I am not using any shaving cream here. I'm just using my regular body wash and it works great for me. I just like to lather it a lot so the razor glides on very smoothly. Next, I'm going to wash my hair, of course, but before applying any shampoo or conditioner, I'm going to rinse off my hair with lukewarm water. Never wash your hair with hot water. It's not good for your hair at all. And also, अगर hot water से धोगे, बहुत chances है that the egg will cook on your hair itself, which is not good at all. I have been there, so don't make that mistake. For shampoo, I will be using my trusty L'Oreal Density Advanced. I have been using this for ages now. I believe it's been 5-6 years I have been using this and I love this. It's great for people who have very thin hair like I do and also people with oily scalp. It does the job. It removes any excess oil that you might have on your scalp and I really love the fragrance as well. As you might have seen, I like to be very gentle while washing my hair and I wash it in sections. For hair mask, I will be using the Wow Argan Oil Hair Mask. I have been using this quite a lot lately. It's not the best that I have used, but it does the job. I love the L'Oreal Mythic Hair Mask. I ran out of it, so using this today. I like to apply this product more on my hair ends. And for body wash, I have been using the Dove Coconut Milk and Jasmine Petals Shower Gel and it smells amazing. Now that I am all fresh and clean, I'm going to moisturize my face using the Face Shop Mango Seed Lotion. And I like to apply this on my face and neck as well. I have been trying facial massages lately and it is so relaxing. It helps in increasing blood circulation and it's so good for the skin as well. I don't know how to explain this, but you can clearly see what I'm doing here. For my hair, I will be using the L'Oreal Mythic Oil. Again, I have been using this for ages. I like to take about 2 pumps of this and apply it only on the lens so that my hair is not frizzy. I like to keep my skincare and hair care very simple. Time to apply lots of body lotion and I will be using the Vaseline Aloe Vera body lotion and I like to go crazy with this. I just cannot process with dry skin. I love to apply lotion all over my body, especially my legs and arms. I just cannot bear dry skin. After pedicure, remember to moisturize your feet well. I usually like to paint my nails, but I decided to skip that today. And here I am just making some green tea for myself. I love green tea after a good pampering session. It is very relaxing and it also helps in detoxifying your body from within. And enjoy my me time with a cup of tea. And how can I forget to play and cuddle with Milo? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this pamper routine. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys do to pamper yourselves? I would love to know that. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!